Hey guys, Ruby Ryan JKU. This morning my wife had check engine light come on, and it was I think it was 433 was the code. It's an Evap control. So I wanted to take a look, and I want to show you what I found. Right here is the Evap purge canister. When I came out, it was sitting down here like this, off the little thing. So I took a look here on the side. Got a hole right in the side of it from rubbing on the battery right here. It sat down in here and rubbed on the battery, and you know, most people won't even notice that that has moved. So that's the problem. I'm gonna have to replace it. I'm gonna fill it up with some RTV or something for today, I guess, and see if it makes the code go away. Then I'll fix it in a week or so. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys that that this is, I guarantee you, the reason I'm popping a code.